Benro SystemGo starts with a tripod and allows you to grow into an entire system. Transform a single tripod into a photo workstation by adding SystemGo components that allow more than just simple camera mounts. From portrait to landscape, to macro, to food photography, this modular approach allows your productions to run quickly and efficiently. Let's take a look at the two different types of tripods that are part of SystemGo: GoTravel tripods and GoClassic tripods, both of which come in aluminum and carbon fiber, in kit form or by themselves. GoTravel tripods are travel-friendly, featuring reverse folding legs with twist locks for compact travel. They are ideal for the on-the-go photographer who needs advanced versatility from their support gear. The GoClassic tripods offer quick flip locks and exceptional strength and rigidity for precise camera positioning. They are the ideal choice for the uncompromising photographer who wants to capture that perfect shot, no matter the angle. With this large product offering, you are guaranteed to find a SystemGo tripod that fits your needs. All SystemGo tripods include a quick flip 90-degree center column that goes from vertical to horizontal without any additional tools. This design allows the column to be used as a lateral arm, perfect for when you want to shoot down or over your subject. By combining the removable leg and center column, you can easily create a full-size monopod. The interchangeable rubber and stainless steel spiked feet keep the tripod steady, no matter the terrain. The center column weight hook adds stability to your system. The SystemGo tripod legs can be independently locked into place at different angles to enable shooting in cramped quarters, irregular surfaces, or at ground level. The center column features two flat sides to eliminate unwanted column rotation. A thick foam grip allows for comfortable handling when carrying your SystemGo tripod. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit in the included carrying case, and you're on your way. Create a portable workstation to view and edit your shots, or a dual camera mount to capture video and stills simultaneously. With additional accessories available separately, you can get even more versatility out of your SystemGo tripod. With Benro SystemGo, turn your tripod into a system. What are you waiting for? Let's go!